Hey there, paper wizards! Welcome to Origami Land, your ultimate creative corner where we dive deep into the mesmerizing world of origami. Today, we're unleashing the magic of Origami YouTube, where talented artists from across the globe come together to craft wonders and ignite inspiration. Before we get started, stay tuned because in this video, we will teach you how to create two amazing origami pieces. First up, a charming origami dog. And keep watching till the end to discover the second surprise. Origami, the enchanting art of paper folding, has enraptured hearts for ages. It's a blend of simplicity and intricacy, demanding patience, precision, and a sprinkle of imagination. In the modern era, origami has soared in popularity. Thanks to the boundless realm of the internet and social platforms, YouTube stands as a vibrant playground for origami enthusiasts. A space to showcase masterpieces, learn new techniques, and bond with kindred spirits worldwide. Dive into a sea of channels dedicated to origami, offering tutorials, tricks, and even friendly competitions. The allure of Origami YouTube lies in its kaleidoscope of creations. From graceful cranes to elaborate beasts, there's a fold for every soul. Unravel the secrets of crafting a classic crane, a majestic dragon, or a blooming flower. The possibilities are infinite. But beyond the folds, Origami YouTube thrives on community spirit. Discover channels brimming with original works and others that spotlight the talents of fellow folders. It's a gateway to connect with like-minded souls and share the joy of paper artistry. Moreover, Origami YouTube serves as a treasure trove of knowledge and skill enhancement. Dive into tutorials that demystify complex folds into manageable steps, paving the way for beginners to embark on their folding journey. For the seasoned artisans, advanced techniques and challenges await. What truly sets Origami YouTube aglow is the boundless creativity and imagination on display. Witness channels crafting breathtaking landscapes, intricate creatures, and even wearable origami fashion. It's a testament to the endless possibilities within this ancient art form. So, whether you're an origami aficionado or a curious soul seeking a new passion, immerse yourself in the wonderland of Origami YouTube. Let it be your guide to learning, connecting, and drawing inspiration from the awe-inspiring realm of paper magic. Thank you for embarking on this origami odyssey with us. If this video sparked your creativity, give it a thumbs up and remember to hit subscribe for a dose of origami enchantment. Until our next rendezvous, happy folding.